humingi lang. Congrats, RK. Ano yung muna sa dito?
Thank you. Dami nag-iyak sa cinema. But I think this is a bittersweet moment, syempre, no? Naalay natin kay Mother Lily. Kamusta yung conception ng pelikula? Naging hands-on pa ba siya in any way?
Si Miss Rosel nandun kanina, but I think she had to go kasi marami nang naghihintay sa kanila. But kaya ako rin nasabi kanina na para sa magulang yung pelikula, we dedicate this to all the parents out there, especially Mother Lily and Father Remy.
And to the Monteverde family.
Monteverde.
How was Mother Lily a mother to you?
Oh, grabe. Naramdaman ko yun being a regal baby din myself, and ilang beses na sa alaga, sa pagiging present niya, and gano'n lang siya yung character, yung liveliness ni Mother.
Yeah, marami akong naririnig ng stories about Mother Lily and Father Remy, and sa generation namin, I think si Miss Rosel yung isang tao na given us opportunities, time and time again, sa mga movies nila. So we really thank Regal, for this opportunity, especially Love Child. Kaya, we dedicate this to them.
Oh my gosh. And actually guys, congratulations on sobrang ganda ng review ng pelikula ng mga lumabas. What do you want, of course, no? And yun na, dahil bittersweet, the show must go on.
Yes.
Sa mga ganito magkakataon, it just goes to show how much we value the audiences of cinema. And what do you want to impart to them with this?
This is a message, a love letter to all the parents out there. Hindi lang yung mga awesome moms and dads, but of course, para sa kanila talaga to. This is para for their voices to be heard, their stories, na marinig ng mas marami at malaman yung bukod sa struggles, yung love na meron sila, yung unconditional love na meron sila. And
the ultimate goal of the movie is for parents, awesome moms, parents to feel seen and heard.
yes.
And we want for this movie to reach more people. Kasi gusto namin not just the struggles, pero i-empower i-highlight yung unconditional love nila, yung sacrifices nila, yung strength nila, in the middle of adversities, yung lahat ng nilalaban nila. So nakakatuwa, nandun yung parents ko kanina. So before nag-start yung movie, I wanted to really parang sabi ko gusto suklito sa lahat ng sakripisyo nila sa amin. So parang emotional ako, pero sabi ko yun yung goal ko talaga before i-play si Paolo. So yun lang. So I was lucky to do this movie with my special someone. So it's
Naiyak na si Jane.
Hindi galing din. Sobrang laking blessing sa akin itong Love Child. Isa to sa mga pinagpipray namin. And parang sobrang swerte ko lang na kaming dalawa yung napili nilang Ayla at Pao. And sobrang malapit sa amin itong kwento na to, itong team na to, the Regal family and Southern Lantern family. Sobrang grabe yung attachment ko sa project na to, kaya nagpapasalamat talaga kami
Parang
sa
anak niyo na rin ni Susie Ali.
grabe.
Anak niyo na.
Yes.
Yes! Si Tyrone!
And ayaw din namin lumayo kasi sabi namin kay Direk Jonathan, since this is really their story, it's a love letter to Oyen sa anak niya. Sabi namin ayaw namin mawala yung mensahe, and that is for the awesome mom out there to have a connection to this material. And congratulate themselves kasi they've been doing so much for their children, and para sa inyo talaga.
Pero sa inyo sa couple, ano ang...
Because of the movie, ano ba, encouraging ba ang pagpapagawa sa inyo?
Actually, sinabi namin, nag-shoot kami ng 15 days. And that alone, it wasn't easy. Pero ang dami namin tutunan about unconditional love, about sacrifices. Families love.
Yes.
Diba? As long as meron kang support system, but I guess you'll never really learn how it is pag nandun ka na eh. Diba? Yung sa amin, trial lang 15 days. So iba pa rin yung mga nandun sa sitwasyon na yon, and we just, give all hats to them.
Pero sa inyo sa relasyon ninyong dalawa, parang may realizations kayo dito. Ano yung natutunan nyo? At ano yung parang nalabang tumibay yung relasyon ninyong dalawa because of the story?
Yes, sobrang, again, sabi ko nga, napakalapit sa puso ko nitong project na to. And it means much more to me because siya yung nakasama ko. And I'm holding his hands sa buong journey na to. And yun, sobrang na-appreciate ko. And hindi magiging kumpleto si Ayla kung wala si Pao. And hindi makukumpleto ako kung wala si Ayla.
At si Tyrone, at si Kali, at ang lahat actually, gusto lang namin i-shoutout talaga. Yung Love Child is a collaboration of not just two, not just three, but it's a whole team, it's a whole family of, na nagmamahalan, and ito yung naging bunga nun. So, nagpapasalamat kami sa buong team ng Love Child. You know who you are. So, maraming salamat.
How does this fit with Mother Lily's legacy?
Just like I said kanina, it's si Father Remy and si Mother Lily, tumayong magulang sa maraming tao sa industriya. And Miss Rosel also, and Sir Don is continuing that legacy in Sir Keith. So, it's just really a love letter to all the parents. Not just in the industry, but for everyone.
Kung ano yung plano nyo in the future, may anong dala nyong leksyon dito? At kung, of course, siguro naman napaplano nyo na rin at napapag-usapan ninyo.
Siguro, yun ay hindi siya minamadali.
Actually, yun yung, siguro one of the things na natutunan din namin sa movie is kailangan talaga ng planning. With everything. So, ngayon focus na kami sa Love Child.
Pero napapag-usapan na? May plano na?
Thank you. Sobrang nakasuporta kami kasi ngayon isa sa trabaho, and sobrang proud ako sa kanya sa lahat ng mga na-achieve niya, lahat ng mga achievements, projects, and blessings na dumarating sa kanya. So,
ako din, ever since, alam ko na tagal niya nag-start sa showbiz, and now she's getting that, more opportunities. And ngayon nakafocus kami doon kasi yun yung number one sa priority namin is to have a better, career, kasi eventually yun yung mag-dictate ng, future family namin. Darating tayo sa.
Hindi naman kayo nagmamadali pa.
Nasa takdang panahon yun.
Darating tayo. Kita-kita tayo sa finals.
Okay. Picture. Thank you.
Picture, Jane.
Ang feeling na yung pelikula niyo yung parang last movie ba na na-produce naman?
Hindi ako sure
Hindi ko lang po
about
sure
it.
yun.
Kasi napaka-handsome si Miss Rosel.
Si Miss Rosel.
Pero ang feeling na yung, before she passed away, yung talagang makabuluhang movie niyo ang the one she produced.
Yeah, very timely kasi it's all about parents, diba?
Yes.
And madaming beses naming nakausap si Miss Rosel before watching the movie, and sinasabi niya may mga eksena na, tumatagos sa puso na yung pinapanood nila yung editing, yung paggawa ng post-prod. So, hindi ko alam kung I can only imagine the loss that they're going through right now, but I hope somehow yung love of a parent will somehow reach her, and not just Miss Rosel, but the whole Monteverde family.
Ipapalabas ba ito sa festivals? Ipapalabas siya sa festivals?
Wala pa po kami alam, nakafocus po kami sa
na-advise, pero depende po, hopefully sa manifest.
And like you said, ang pinaka-goal namin is for more people to watch this para mas makakuha tayo ng
mas marami pa ang makarinig ng kwento nila, mas marami pa yung makarinig ng boses nila.
kasi alam nyo
Kasi para sa kanila,
yung trailer natin alone,